How to relax your head at home. Step 1. Separate the hair from shinting to bai hui on the top of the head. Insert fingers along the hair part. Use our finger pads against the scalp to perform circular kneading and pressing. After massaging the front, then turn the head to the side. Use our finger pads to perform circular motion on the scalp. Press and knead the back part of the head. Step 2. Knead and press the scalp with finger knuckles. Separate fingers and insert them from the hairline. Then half clench your fist. Use our kneeling finger knuckles to perform circular relaxation on the head. Step 3. Use the palm of one hand to cover the hairline. Use the hollow fist of the other hand to tap the back of your hand. Step 4. Gently pull hair. Pull out a portion of hair from directly above the ears on both sides. After tidying it up, grasp firmly with both hands simultaneously. Lean your body slightly backward. Hold for about 3 seconds. Repeat this technique again. Repeat each movement above 3 to 5 times. When we are doing back massage, we must understand the meridian pathways of the back. The first step is our governing vessel in the middle. Straight push downwards with thumb pads together. Push down to the Boleo acupoints in the waist area. The second step is 1.5 cun lateral, which are the bladder meridians on both sides of the spine. Using the method of point kneading with thumb pads, press and knead in circles until the waist. The third step is our scapula on the left and right sides. Push with finger knuckles in a clenched fist. The fourth step is where we feel most fatigued, that is the trapezius muscle. Point knead the trapezius muscle. The fifth step is our Dasui acupoint. Lift and pull upwards. Strengthen it again with finger knuckles. The sixth step is to clench your fist and rub your entire upper back until warm. Finally, soothe and relax the back muscles. The whole body is relaxed. Want a healthier back? Massaging the waist meridians can improve spine support, balance hormones, and even strengthen your immune system. This small practice can bring huge benefits, promoting long-term health by relieving tension and improving overall energy. Feeling tension in your lower back? Massaging the waist meridians can improve circulation, ease muscle tightness, and boost kidney health. This simple technique can help reduce pain, improve flexibility, and support overall body health. The first movement is overlapping palms to spread oil, soothing and relaxing the entire armpit and arm. The second movement is plucking the Jichuan acupoint in the armpit with the thumb. The third movement is alternately pushing the armpit with both palms. The fourth movement is plucking the armpit with finger knuckles from inside to outside, then pushing to the arm. The fifth movement is pushing downwards with both palms to drain, from the armpit to the arm and to the fingers to drain.
Abdominal massage techniques. First, apply essential oil. First step, interlock both palms and knead. Second step, use your fist and knuckles to scrape and knead. Third step, use the tiger's mouth to pinch both sides of the waist along the dimeridian. Fourth step, alternate pressing and kneading both sides of the dimeridian with both hands. Fifth step, perform a diamond-shaped push from the center of the abdomen to both sides. Sixth step, use the heel of the palm to push along both sides of the waist. Seventh step, use the palm to pat and help expel gas.
Hand massage. Step 1, along the wrist, pluck from left to right, then pluck back and forth from right to left. This position is a place that is easily overlooked when we are doing hand care. Especially for people who often use a mouse and keyboard, this step is very important. Step 2. Turn the palm up and perform circular pressing and kneading. At this time our other hand provides assistance. Press and knead at the palm heel area. After finishing the circular pressing and kneading, turn the hand over, with the back of the hand facing us. At this time, start pulling downwards from the web between the thumb and index finger. Note that 2 fingers apply force, the thumb is above. The index finger is below, slowly slide outwards. This step is all for relieving hand fatigue. You can do this at the joint between the index finger and middle finger. Then between the middle finger and ring finger. And finally at the joint between the little finger and ring finger. After relaxing all of them, we turn the hand over. Push upwards from the wrist crease. Keep pushing upwards. Push to the first joint of the thumb and little finger. Then the index finger and ring finger. Finally, simultaneously push both hands up to the middle finger. After this step is completed, turn the hand over again. Starting from the little finger, individually pull each finger outwards. After pulling through once, at this time we then perform overall hand relaxation, divide and separate on the back of the hand with both hands. Finally, pinch and hold the wrist and pull outwards, repeat a few times. To do leg massage, first evenly apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Step 1. Straight push with both thumbs to the popliteal fossa area and gently knead, then push upwards to the thigh. Step 2. Alternately pluck and knead with both hands. Step 3. Simultaneously knead and pluck outwards with both hands from the midline of the leg. Step 4. Straight push with both clenched fists to strengthen. Finally, soothe the entire leg muscles. Looking for a natural way to support your well-being? Consider foot reflexology. By massaging specific points on your feet, known as reflex areas, you can influence corresponding organs and systems throughout your body. These reflexes connect to areas like your lungs, supporting easier breathing, your digestive system, promoting healthy digestion, and even influence hormone balance, kidney function, and nerve function for relaxation. This targeted technique aims to support your body's natural functions and promote overall well-being.